Hello, my dear students of the 4th grade. In Math is Easy channel, you will understand and study mathematics easily, and you will feel fun. But I want you to follow this video to the end. In this video, I will explain lesson 5. In lesson 5, we will learn ascending and descending order. In the first, what the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means you should write or arrange your numbers from small to big. You should start from smallest number and end in the biggest number. Or you can say ascending order means from down to up. And descending order means you should write your numbers from big to small. Start with biggest number and end in the smallest number. Or you can say from up to down.
That's fantastic!
Here in your book, we have this exercise or this example. This table shows the population of 4 governorates in Egypt in 2021. You can order the governorates by their population from the greatest to the least. You should start from biggest number and end in the least number or smallest number. Here we will see how we can make a range or write number from greatest to least. Before start to make a range numbers, you should look at the 4 numbers and see how many periods in each number. The number has 2 periods only is the smallest number, and the number has 3 periods like this is the biggest number. We have 3 numbers had 3 periods. You should see how many periods in each number. Governorates and her population. If we see here, we have 3 periods, and this number is the biggest number because we have here 10. 10 is bigger than 5, so you should write this number in the first. Next number, what? We have 5 and 5. They are equal. Go to next place. We have here 4, and here we have 5. 5 more than 4, so you should write this number second one. And third number, 5 million is third number, and last number is the number with 2 periods only, 450,528. Example 2 in your book. Write each of the following numbers or numerals in standard form and arrange in descending order. What's the meaning of descending? We said you should remember all time descending order is ordering numbers from greatest to the least. We have here 4 numbers, and we can't make a range or comparing between numbers without standard form. So you should write all numbers or convert all numbers into standard form in the first. We have here 7 million, 40 million, 5,300. Next number, we have 7 million, 400 million, 1,002. Third number, 7 million, 500 million, 600,000, 300. Last number in standard form. See how many periods in each number. We have here 4 periods, 4 periods, 4 periods, but last number 2 periods only. That means last number is the smallest number. We will write this number in the end. Now comparing between 3 numbers here to choose biggest one or to write biggest one. 7, 7, 7. Here we have 0, 4, 5. Which one is more? 5. 5 biggest or more than 4. So this number in the first. After that we have here 4 in 100 millions. So this number is the next number. And third number is 7 million, 0. And the last number, this number with 2 periods only, 745,300.
Oh, I feel very funny today.
Now we will solve exercise 5. He tell you in the first one, write the number in ascending order. Do you remember? Ascending means what? Ascending means from smallest to the big or from down to up. Here, first step, to make a range, you should see how many periods. In 4 numbers here, we have 3 periods. So we will make like this. You can make line, 2 can make comparing quickly. In the first period here, we have 770, and here we have 7. That means you should make comparing between first number and last number in the first. We want to see which one is small. We have 7, 1, 2, 2, and here 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0 or 0 less than 2 in thousands place. So this number is the first number. Second number, this number. Third number, 70 million or 700 million. 70 million, smaller than 700. That means small 700 in the end. Now we write numbers from smallest to the big or the biggest. Next one, see how many periods in all digits, in all numbers. We have here 4 periods. Here we have 2 periods, but here and first and second number we have 3 periods. We want to find the smallest number. Which one is the smallest? Without comparing between digits, you can say this number is the smallest because this number has only 2 periods. After that, after we write 542,000, which one is small? Here we have 3 and here we have 3. We have here 4 and we have here 4 in 100,000 place. So this number is the smallest or smallest than or smaller than next number. Third number, this one. And the biggest number or greater number is 1 million. See how many periods? 3, 3, 3, and here we have 3, 2. Okay, now I will make like this to can make comparing quickly. Put line in or at first column. Here we have 430, 43, 403, 430. Which one is the smallest? This one. 43 less than all. So this number in the first. After that we have 430 and 403. 403 smaller than 430 and 430 here. Now I have only 2 numbers, the first and last number. Which one is small? Here we have 0 in 100,000 and here we have 5 in 100,000. That means this number is small. And the biggest number is here. 435,549,000. Last one, we have here 4 periods, and here 3 periods. That means this number is the first. 4 periods make line to can compare between 3 numbers. Here we have 0 in 100,000, in 100 millions, and here 1, here 0. 1 bigger than this 0 and this 0. So make comparing between first and the third number. Next digit in 10,000 place, here we have 0, but here we have 1. That means this number, next number. And the third number, this one. Last number is 2 and 1 in millions place. 2 million, 100 million. Now he tell you in the next one or number 2, write all of the digits at or that can replace each space or each missing digit. He tell you here all, that means maybe you have more than 1 digit. Here we have 567, 6 in hundreds place, here nothing, and here in tens place. In tens place we have 6, nothing, and 8. So you want to write here number should be more than 6 and in the same time less than 8. After 6 we have 7. If we write 6, 7, 8. After 6 we have 8. That means 7 less than 8 and more than 6. The answer here is 7. Next one, 3. We have 3 in thousands in the all numbers, and here in hundreds place we have 4. Here nothing, and here we have 5. Now he want to write 1 digit or more. in this place. We have 4 and here we have 5. 4 and 5. Do you see 4 and 5? After 4 we have 5. There is nothing between 4 and 5. You should write 4 and 5. Write 4 in the first. If we write here 4, it will be 430. 430 less than 540, yes, because 4 less than 5. 430 more than 408, yes, because 30 more than 8, but 4 equal 4. So if we write here 4, your answer is right. 4 is right answer. After that, try to put 5. If we put 5 in this place, 530 less than 500, 5 equal 5, but 30 less than 40. That means 5 is right. Try to, in the next side, try to make comparing between this number and the first number. 530 more than 408, yes. So 5 is right answer. You should write here 5 or 4. Next one we have in thousands place 2, in thousands place nothing, and thousands place here we have 0. That means you have 2 and 0. There is any number between them? Yes, we have 1 between 2 and 0. 1 less than 1 bigger than 0 and less than 2. 1 is right. And try to put 2. If we put here 2, 2,000. And here we have 2,000. 2,790 less than 780? No. So 2 is not answer, not right. Try to put here 0. If we put here 0, that means 790 bigger than 0 here and 120. Yes, because 0 equals 0, but 700 more than 100. That means if we put 0, the answer is right. Try with first number. 790 less than 2,780. Yes. So 1 and 0 is the right answer. Last one. In 10,000 place, here we have 6 and here we have nothing, and here we have 4 in 10,000 place. That means the 6 and 4. Between 6 and 4 we have 5. Try to see which number is right. If we put here 6, try to put 6 here. If we have here 6 more than 4, yes, 63,000. Here we have 64. 63 less than 64, yes. So if we put 6, the 6 is right digit. 5, if we put 5 here, 53 more than 40, yes. 53 less than 64, yes. So 5 is right answer. Number 3, write each of the following numerals in standard form and arrange the numerals in an ascending order. Ascending order means you should write numbers from small to big or from down to up. Here we have 4 numbers. We should write all numbers in standard form to can make a range. First number 352,067. Second number 3 million. Third number we have 3 times 100 means 352,620. Last number 367,201. Now you can make comparing quickly. If you see we have this number has 3 periods. That means this number in the end. Biggest number. Go to first and another numbers down. We have here 3 and here we have 3. 5, 5, 6. This number is the third number. Make comparing between first and third number. Here we have 2, 2, and here we have 0 in hundreds. In hundreds here we have 6. That means this number is the first number. And here second number. Third one 367,000, and last one number in millions, 3 million. Number B, in the same question, we will write a number from smallest to biggest. We have 4 numbers here. we should write numbers in standard form in the first. First number 3,405,000. 3. Next one 3,450,000. 3. And third number in standard form. After that we have 3,450,000. 30. Make compare between all numbers. 3 in all numbers in millions place, and 4 in hundreds in all numbers too. Here we have 0, 5, 5, 5. Which one is least or small? This number is the first number. Make comparing down. We have here 5, 5, 5. Go to next place in thousands. We have 0 and 3, 0. So we will make comparing between second number and the last number. Here we have 0 and here 0. We have in tens place 0, but here we have 3. 0 less than 3. This is the second number, and this is third number, and 3,453,000 biggest number. Second one, C, 2 million, write all number in standard form. 2 million, and we will search about smallest number. 2,4,700,000. Next number in standard form. Third number 2,040,007,000. Last number 3 million. If we see here, all numbers has 4 periods and 2, 2, 2 in millions place, and here we have 3. 3, this number in the end, because this is the biggest number. Number 4. Here we have 0 in hundreds, 4 in hundreds, 0 in hundreds. Make comparing between first and the third one only. 0 in 10 millions place, and here we have 4. 0 less than 4, so this number is the first and second number. And this is third number, and we said 3 million is the biggest number. D. Don't forget, we make a range from smallest to the biggest. Write numbers in standard form in the first 5 million, 100 million, 64. And the second number 99 million, not million, here 3 periods. Next number 5 million, 10 million, 78. Last number 5 million, 100 million. If we see, we have here number it has 3 periods only. This is the smallest number. And we have 5 million, 5 million, 5 million. They are equal, but here we have 1, 0, 1. 0 less than 1, and write this number in the second. Third number, which one? We have 0, 0, 0, 0. They are equal. Go to tens place. In tens place here 0, in tens place here we have 6. That means this number is the third number, and last number here 64. Next one 362,491. Right number in standard form. Third number, here we have 364,090. We have 5 numbers, not 4 only. 363,589. All digits or numbers here has 2 periods. That means you should focus well. See from the left side, start from left side. All first digit is 3, and all first digit is 3 in 10,000 place. We have here 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. Means you should make comparing between 2 numbers now. We have here 4, and here we have 8. Which one is the small? 4. So this number is the first, and this number second one. 3 and the 3. Make comparing between this and the last number. We have in hundreds 9, and here in hundreds we have 5. That means 5 less than 9. And this number, fourth one, and least number is 364,90. Last one here, 500 millions. Write 500 millions for 1,000. 85 from least to greatest. 6,499,000. 60,700,000. Last number 9,700,000. Focus well how many periods in the digits. Here we have 4 digits, so this number is the biggest. And here 3, 3, 3. 60, 60, they are equal, and here we have 6. 6 is the smallest number, so this number is the first. 60 less than 600, that means make comparing between two numbers here. 7740, second number, and this third number, and we have here 6 million, but here's 9 million. 9 million is the greatest number. I hope you understood this lesson well, and we will meet in the next video to complete exercise 5. Goodbye.